Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another unboxing video. Obviously, this one was sent in again by Peter C. I'll leave a link to his Instagram account in the description below. I think he takes a picture at least every day. Tons of watch pictures there, and geez, this is probably the third or fourth watch he sent in for us to check out, so really appreciate it. I keep opening the wrong blade on this. That's why I usually use this one. It just has the one blade, but I don't know. Maybe this one's a little more YouTube friendly. Dang it. I opened the wrong blade again. All right, there we go. Not really all that sharp. This one's a little bit better. All right, let's check this watch out. I believe it's a Timex. I don't remember the exact model. I'll be sending this over to Chris at the Watch Lounge next. Oh yeah, this is it's a sector dial. I forgot what the model name is. Maybe it says it on the dial here. Waterbury. So very cool. Let's get it off the pillow here and take a look at it. Nice case back. Looks like it's laser engraved. Has a sticker on here. I'll just leave that on there. So established 1854, stainless steel. So that's nice. It's not a brass watch. 100 meter water resistant. Let me pull up my shirt sleeve here and I'll get it on wrist. Looks like a little bit smaller of a watch. Quartz, obviously. It's probably mineral glass. Doesn't feel cold. So I'm going to say it's mineral glass. Leather strap feels real nice. Oh, it still has quite a few holes left here, so that's good for our smaller wristed folks here. Looks like 3 more hole positions left. Yeah, this strap feels real nice and soft. Oh, there we go on my wrist. I'll get into the dimensions in full specs in the full presentation video. It looks a little thick maybe for a quartz watch. Nice size crown. Push-pull crown, not screw down. Alright, we'll zoom out here. And then we'll close out the video. So let me know what you think of this watch so far. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.